This might be one of the prettiest galaxies you've ever seen. It looks like a dolphin or maybe a little bird. And the oval-shaped galaxy below looks like an unhatched bird's egg. This picture was taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. It's a real beauty. We can call it the Dolphin Galaxy. Its eye-catching appearance is thanks to its neighbor. That's the oval galaxy below, the one that looks like a bird's egg. The Dolphin Galaxy might have started out as a normal spiral galaxy, just like our own Milky Way. It would have had its own spectacular spiral arms. But because they are close to each other, their gravity makes them rush towards each other. As gravity keeps pulling, the spiral arms of the galaxy get twisted. The blue parts are young stars that formed the shape of its nose, and the red gas spread out to form the shape of its tail. And so the Dolphin Galaxy, as humans named it, was formed. Its neighbor, on the other hand, seems unharmed. It doesn't have an appearance that catches the eye. That's because as an elliptical galaxy, it only has small amounts of gas and dust. You could say it's basically just a big ball of stars. But that's enough to hide its shape. At least it doesn't look obviously twisted. Like other galaxies, they both have a supermassive black hole in their center. These two galaxies together are called ARP 142, and they are about 23 million light-years away. But in about 1 billion years, their fate will change. The two galaxies will crash into each other, just like our own Milky Way will with the Andromeda Galaxy in the future. They will eventually merge into one big galaxy. However, the distances between stars are so vast, measured in light-years, so the stars inside them will very rarely collide. No matter how far away, the Dolphin Galaxy is even further, about 300 million light-years away from us. That means when we see it, we are seeing it as it was 300 million years ago. Even though its structure looks messy, it presents a natural beauty to the universe and to us humans. The Dolphin Galaxy is like this. So everyone, what else do you think their appearance looks like besides a dolphin and a little bird?